Here's how much snow we have left. Just a little bit. Here is why you can't hear me in some videos. Sorry. A little snow left here. Just a little bit. Oh dear. We got to do something about this right now. Right now. Much better. You are not nice. Not a bit. Not a bit. Just got a new name. You want to hear it? Not Nice Nancy. Not Nice Nancy. That's what your name is. See, look. See, look. You're proving it. Right now. Not Nice Nancy. Nice. 7 today. 8 the other day. So that means with only 9 chickens in here, only one of you can be a Roo. Whew. That was a close one.